Top 10 reasons why the Jolly Mallet sucks on Minion Legacy. The Jolly Mallet is still overrated. It's still useless. Hammer epic. Mallet cringe. The Jolly Mallet makes you look like a clown. You literally only use it once, and then in the next few months, you will probably forget it ever existed. The mallet is literally just a normal mallet, but with Christmas colors. There's nothing special about it. There are so many other similar items that are better than the Jolly Mallet, including the hammer from Donkey Kong, Amadeus's Pico Pico hammer, King Dedede's hammer, Hammer Mario, Bob the Builder's hammer, and even a meat tenderizer. A Jolly Mallet is literally the same value as 15 Jolly cookies, and it's easy to get. If you can tap the bell with the mallet once and make the bell go flying forwards and backwards, it would eventually hit somebody else's head, causing head surgery, one which it takes years to heal, so the Jolly Mallet is dangerous. Mr. Jolly is held responsible for the many sad anime deaths that occurred over the past 20 years using its mallet. So the Jolly Mallet's creator is not a good person. Besides, who wants to pay 300 freaking cookies for the saddle you'll probably never use again? Unlike the Jolly Mallet, their raw code go back thousands and millions of years ago. The mallet is just a small hammer. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Never go for the Jolly Mallet on the Jolly Village gift exchange game, please.